Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Aarti Bhatt. I am the dance teacher of LP Savani Vidya Bhavan English Medium School. Last session we started arm choreography or you can say sitting choreography on song मैं जीऊँ जब जब तेरा दिल धड़के. Then till this lyrics we have done it. Then music part I have done only one step. The other steps are left, so we will continue from those all the steps. First we will do it without music and then we will start it with the music, as it is sitting choreography. So first we will take our position and it is 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 4. This was the last step. Now this step we are supposed to do it 2 times. 1 2 tuck, 1 2 tuck, 1 2 3 and 4. 2 times. Then up 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 up. Now you have to take clip up and having wave also. 2 3 4. Then 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 and 4. See, this is very easy. You can understand it very well. तुझसे मेरा. Now stanzas lyrics are there. So तुझसे, you just have to show the finger. मेरा. One look by hand should be down. Now 5 6 7. तुझसे मेरा ये जी नहीं लगता. See, lyrics maybe I may be confused in तुझ बिन मेरा ये जी नहीं लगता. ये जी नहीं लगता. नना 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 नना. Okay, lyrics I may not remember, but this 1 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 and 4. Fine. 5 6 7. तुझसे मेरा ये जी नहीं लगता. Wave, front wave and fingers, hands, magical movement. 1 and 2. Nana, nana. See, nana, you have to stop. Nana, 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 nana. Nana, nana, nana. Nana, nana, nana. Nana, nana, nana. Magical eyes. बुलावे तुझे यारी आज मेरी गलियाँ. हंसाऊं तेरे संग में अलग दुनिया. फाइन. Fine. See this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. बुलावे तुझे यारी आज मेरी गलियाँ. बसाऊं तेरे संग में अलग दुनिया. Na 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 na. Fine. See, this will be the signature step. Only this tuck 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 will get changed. Then tuck tuck and tuck 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 and tuck tuck 3 times. Sorry, tuck tuck. Sorry, 1 2 3. We started 1 2 3 4. So from here we will start 1 2 3. Move it and जब जब दिल धड़के. So all are same step. I mean signature step. Only this will be the different tuck 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 tuck. So in signature this may be the different steps, and new steps are 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Then आँखों से 1 minute with the music. I will do it and show it to you once. मैं जीऊं जब जब तेरा दिल धड़के.
लगी है तेरी आदत मुझे जब से है तेरे बिन पल भी बरस लगते बुलावे तुझे यारे आज मेरी गलियां बसाऊं तेरे संग मैं अलग दुनिया जो होवे तू उदास मुझे देख हंस दे तू चाहे मेरे हक की जमीन रख ले तू सांसों पे भी नाम तेरा लिख दे मैं जीऊं जब जब तेरा दिल धड़के
Last music, it will be same. Fine. So, almost done. Only the confusion is this step we did not add. Fine. So, in signature 1, 2, magical eyes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and move. So, this will be very much clear if we will show this. Then this hand will come here 2, 3 and move. So, in signature we just 1, 2, 3 we were doing, no. In this signature step we have to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lyrics, according to the lyrics I have added this and this step. Other steps are same. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. This also I have added. So one more time we will do it with the music, so your all problems will get solved. One time again with the music. So sitting position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and tuck 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 tuck. 1, 2. New music steps. Wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
यही नहीं पड़ता कुछ भी नहीं असर अब करता मेरी राह तुझसे मेरी चाहत तुझसे मुझे बस
5,
नहीं
6,
जाना
close.
लगी है तेरी
1.
मुझे जब से है तेरे बिन पल भी बरस लगते
बुलावे तुझे signature steps.
बसाऊं तेरे संग मैं अलग दुनिया जो होवे तू उदास
1,
मुझे
2.
देख हंस दे
हंसते
तू चाहे मेरे
हक की जमीन रख ले.
तू सांसों पे भी
नाम तेरा लिख दे.
मैं जीऊं जब जब तेरा दिल धड़के
See, here you have to hit. Very nice. So here we have completed our first stanza and this song's choreography, arm choreography, sitting choreography, and next session we will come with some other choreography. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.